yeah, Age of Independence. So we're in I think it's Condenser or Roma Norte. I think this is all from the earthquake that happened a few weeks ago. All this rubble. We're walking to our Insurgentes metro stop after walking around pretty much the whole day around our Roma Norte and Condenser. It's very quiet right now around Mexico City.
So you guys like members and operate?
This morning we ducked out to get a bit of breakfast, a Mexican breakfast at this really famous, well-known spot. Follow that up by going to the blue tiled building. I forgot the name of this, another famous building. They got these it's got heaps of stuff in there, but we went to the cafe and sat down and got their famous coffee, which was cold famous. It was alright coffee. It was cheap. It was nice. We just sat there for a while. It's Gary and David's last night. David heads off later tonight to go to Peru, and then Gary heads to Cancun. He's going to see Chichen Itza. They're all going to head our separate directions for a few days and meet up again at Machu Picchu. So we finally found the markets. Just me and David. Gary didn't feel well. So I finally found, I think I've tried to find this a couple of times before, but didn't go far enough. But yeah, these markets are really cool, so we'll have a look around and see if there's anything worth getting. The market was really cool. A lot of like an artisanal market, heaps of cool little gifts and stuff and Mexican trinkets.
So I leave tonight and I poured washing liquid pretty much all my clothes. This is 80% of my clothes. And the washing machine doesn't work. Anyway, final night kind of in Mexico City. I have to leave for the airport around 3 AM tomorrow. And I hit the Yucatan Peninsula, Merida. No abierto.
Puerta no abierto.
Puerta no abierto.
David's getting his Uber. He's outside, going to Peru. Excited?
Yeah, pretty excited. Best pro moments leaving Karen and Gary.
See you boys. Stay safe, David.
Cheers,
see you in Peru.
See you in Peru.
Right, got rid of David.
Thank God. Alright, update onto the day's washing machine fiasco. So David has just left to go on his flight to Peru. Just me and Kieran now. And it turns out the door is locked once again to the washing machine room, the lavadora. And so I'm pretty sure my clothes have been washed now, so I just need to dry it, but that's not the point. The point is all my clothes are in the washing machine, which is currently locked. And my flight's in, I've got to dry it as well, which will probably take 1 to 2 hours. And I've got a flight, so I've got to leave at 3 AM this morning. So actually, we tried to contact the, I don't know, building management or whatever. They answered twice in Spanish, and I thought they were coming up, but they didn't. Now I can't find them downstairs. So basically I have no idea what's going on with the guy, if he's coming up or not, and I have no clothes, no new clothes. Yeah, so I have no idea what to do right now. Vlog update. I don't know why I'm vlogging. I'm struggling to stand up, but I'll vlog anyway. So the guy finally came up. I think his name's Angel, and yeah, he's gonna unlock the door hopefully if he comes back. Kieran's there enjoying my pain.
Hey,
And
I'll fix your situation.
and oh yeah, actually Kieran did end up calling and managing to get through to, I think it was Angel. No, some other guy who contacted Angel. Well, it doesn't matter. The point is, my stomach is cramping, and I've got a flight soon. And one memento, my clothes will be ready. Not ready. It'll be wet, and I need to transfer it to the dryer, and hopefully we'll be done before 3 a.m. Okay, guy finally let us in, and he said I think he wasn't sure why it was locked. But I finally got my clothes out from the washing machine into the dryer. So I'm not feeling too well. This is Montezuma's revenge, as they call it in Mexico.
Gonna head off soon. So Gary, see you in Cusco. Enjoy Merida. Enjoy Chichen Itza.
Thank you. That'll be great.